Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll quickly and easily learn how to use Google Slides or prepare a slideshow presentation using Google Slides very easily. I will touch all the things within 5 minutes in this tutorial. So please do watch this video till the end. So I am assuming you are a very basic beginner for this Google Slides. In this tutorial, I'll show how you can create these slides, how you can give the information, how you can give this images, and how you can insert this pie chart so that if there is a graphical representation, how you can keep this data here and how to keep some animations. Each and everything I will touch here. First thing, you need to open Chrome browser and on the Google just search as Google Slides. So if this is the first time, you can sign up here. So on this you can click on Google Slides. At right top corner it will ask you to sign in. Don't worry, there is no creation process for this. Just you need to click on the sign in and it will ask you to sign in with your Gmail ID. So once you give the Gmail ID, this is the interface or the look and feel what you'll see. To create your own Google Slides presentation, here you can use the themes. So there are a lot of themes available. You can choose one of your choice. For example, if you choose this one, that gets added. So in order to have a new slide, at the left side, see here, click on this plus symbol so that it will add a new slide. So usually for the first slide, you will choose the main topic for your presentation. For example, all these fonts and everything you can change, don't worry. Organic agriculture or something like that, just a dummy purpose, I'm choosing a topic. You can add a subtitle here, or if you don't like this, you can right click on this, you can click on delete so that it gets deleted. Okay, that's not an issue. And coming to the next slide, here you can add what are the benefits of this, benefits of organic. So first I will tell you how you can increase and decrease the font and change the font style. So whatever you write on the Google slide, just select the text, click on these three dots, and here you can click on the plus symbol to increase the font and click on this decrease symbol to decrease the font. This you came to know. And changing the colors. Changing the colors also I explained. And one more thing, assigning it to the center. These are the text formatting you usually come across any Word documentation or Google Docs or whatever it may be. You need to know this basic things. And once you click on these three dots, there is an option called animate. You can animate this text also. Click on animate and on click, see here, on which action you want the animation. You can click on click means on the mouse click or the on the hit enter button of your keyboard. You can add an animation something like, click on the drop down and you can click on one of the option and you can click on play and check. Now I'm clicking on enter so that on click, see, the text came from top to down. Like such animations you can do. And the next thing I want to explain is how you can insert an image. So here there is an picture symbol, see here, insert image. You need to tap on this and you can upload it from computer, or you can search on the web, or you can get it from the Google Drive or photos or by URL, whatever it may be. So for now I'll upload it from my computer. On my download folder there are few pictures. I will take this. So a image will be created. So this is not fitting into this uh, slideshow. How you can resize this? You can close this and see here on the right click you have the options like format options. You need to click on the format options and here you can click on size, and first you can log the aspect ratio. If I say like decrease this to 50%, it gets to 50%. If you can decrease to 25, it gets to 25. So 50% is okay, that's fine for me. I'll just place it here. See here how simple it is. Or I can place it here and I can write some text here explaining this picture, some bullet points here, as for you to point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. So bullet points will always give a good look and feel for the presentation. For the bullet points, what you can do is click on, just select those 3 points, again click on these 3 dots, and see here you can choose the required bullet points here, and you can explain this video in this point. And I'll take another slide, and in this slide I will explain you about the pie charts or the graphical representations. See here, I will enter some graphical representations. See here, there is an insert option here. You need to tap on this, and there is a chart here. There is a bar chart, column chart, pie chart, or line chart. Any chart is okay. You can click on a line chart. This gets inserted. I'm just clicking on Control Z. This works. Control Z means undo. Okay. In this tutorial, I'll just insert this pie chart. Okay, pie chart. And pie chart also you can increase and decrease the sizes. Okay, I'll just make it to 50%. No, 50 is not enough, so I'll make it to 75. Okay, 75 is decent. Okay, I'll just make it to here, and see here how you can edit this text. Team 1 percentages, how to edit the data. In order to edit the data, you need to click on these 3 dots and click on open source. When you click on open source, it will open a new tab, that too in a Google Sheets. Wait until this page gets completely loaded. Once it is loaded, you can be able to change this data. Means according to your requirement, you can edit this. For example, first quarter, and make it second quarter, whatever it may be, whatever the data may be. Okay, live means the live updations will be shown here at the bottom. I made like, okay, this is the spelling mistake. Quarter, if I give like something like it has increased by 300 percentage, it is like 200. Yeah, whatever it may be. So immediately we see here the first quarter, the second quarter, according to the values here, it gets changed. And how about this Google Slides? We need to click on this update so that these values and the things gets changed here, so that by having this graphical representation, you can explain to the audience who are watching this presentation in this pictorial representations. In this ways, you can maintain or present this Google slides presentation pretty good. And coming to this one, for the images also you can animate. Just right click on this and see here, animate. And same on click, what do you want? I want the animation something like it should just zoom zoom out. Okay, when you check this, when you tap on this, see, this is how you can make it attractive. So okay, for example, like these slides, you have created like 15 slides, and now when you want to present these 15 slides as a slideshow presentation, you will tap on the slideshow, as this will get into the full screen. And for each enter in your keyboard, a next slide will be, or the next animation or the next slide will be shown. Like first it will get started from here. When you click on enter, this slide will be shown. Yeah, when you click on enter, this slide will be shown in this slideshow. But there is a transition between each slide, because it should be look good for the audience to have this slideshow presentation. For this to happen, you can click on the slide and click on the transition, and you can click on some transition effects like play, fade or slide from right. You can click on the play and it will show you. So this is how the animation will be appearing. When you click on enter for the next slide, it will be shown something like, so there are animations here. So for each enter, it is having the animations and the text and everything. So in this way, you can actually make this presentation a little more appealing. And once you are done all with this, you can click on the share and you can click on the copy link and you can give it to anyone. And when you click on the share, and you need to save this first, and see here at the drop down, you should be, it will be like restricted. You need to click on this anyone with the link, and you can copy the link and you can WhatsApp this link, or you can click on, and so that you can add your friends or the colleagues through their emails, and then click on done, so that this presentation as it is in the online, it will be shared to the people over your other place. So in this way you can actually create Google Slides as a beginner. So if you do have some questions, please do ask in the comment. For the next video, I'll plan a video on that, because there are a lot more things, the tools and everything, the formatting tools and everything, I will explain according to your questions. As a beginner, these are the things you want to know to create a good Google Slides representation. So if I miss anything, I don't know particularly. So if you ask questions, so it would be good for me to do another video by clarifying the doubts or the questions. I hope you like this video tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice